we need to make this one, this one. So first I will start with this. I'll select this one and open. I can put edit poly for that. Then I can select these polygons and this one. Okay. Now I can select detach as a clone. So I have part here. I can give it a new color and make shell modifier to give it a thickness, and then mesh smooth to smooth the edges of this one. So in this part I can return to edit poly again, and from modeling, edit section, swift loop, I can put a little bit loops to adjust this, and I can select all of this vertex and by naked view or screen to see like this. Okay, perfect. Can move this like this. Okay. Now I can add more loops here and here. Perfect.